Hello YouTube. So today I got a pretty easy project, my favorite, easy, cheap. It is going to be making some cute little, we're going to take these little magnetic letters and make them fancy. So I've already taken the letters out. Let me spin you around. So I've already painted the letters to spell home. They're just the little magnetic letters. Took my gray paint because my theme is white and gray. I'm going to put them on my Venta hood because my refrigerator actually has wood on the front. It's not magnetic. Anyhow, spell out whatever you want to spell out. Paint them however you want to paint them. All one color, wild colors. But I saw this idea somewhere and I'd like to give credit to the person, but I have no clue who it was. But mine, of course, is different. Theirs was for inspiration. It was some gold letters they had painted and they had put different things in the middle, and I liked that. So you could take a heart. This was a package of hearts, a whole package from the Dollar Tree. I think there were like 10 of them. And they came with little twine ties. I have lots of these cute little snazzy bows. So I put that on there to cover up the hole. And then I took the letter Q, which I don't think I'm ever going to use. And I started to, I want to take it apart for the magnet so that the heart will stand up the same, you know, will be at the same height as the rest of the letters. So it doesn't have to be pretty, it's going to be on the back. But my plan is I'm going to put a magnet on my magnet. Let me see. This is how I ruin all of my scissors. I'm in serious need of some new scissors because of this. So if I put this on the back, it's going to raise this up even with the rest of the letters, so it's not sitting down flat. But anyhow, so I got home. Then I have all these stickers, and they're on a clear thing so you could test them out and see what you like. I'm kind of liking this one. It's this is our happy place. But look at the possibilities, guys. You can make one. You could actually flip these over and spray paint it a different color. Spray paint it gray and put your sticker on there, or spray paint it a color for the season. But look, you could put like these little cupcakes on there for a Valentine's and change it out. And for Easter, maybe you put a little chick and an egg. For summer, you come along and put something on there for summer. Spring, you could do, okay, fall, and put different little coordinating bows. You know, like I could put the fall flowers and then a little brown bow. You could put a Santa Claus, put it in the middle for Christmas. So it'll always say home, but you'll change this out, change the O out. Or you could put the O on here and say home, it's love. Put your little bow on there, little bow on here. You could put bows on the letters as well to jazz that up. You could put, where are they? Little flowers for the season. You could change this completely out and put a little flip-flop for the summer. You know, just get creative. I also thought this might be a cute idea for Christmas gifts. I have a daughter that's into the tiered trays where you change up everything you know, for each season or whatever. I thought she might like this for putting on her refrigerator, and I can give her a whole set with all the different seasons, and so she can just change out the heart. Just put a magnet on the back of each one and give it to her as a set. So I thought that was a cute idea. I've been meaning to do it for a while. I bought that pack of magnetic letters here on the island where everything is more expensive, and I only paid it $1.99, I think. And they're the nice big letters. And of course I looked at them online on eBay and stuff, but by the time you paid shipping, it really wasn't worth it. So Dollar Tree, I couldn't find them there. You know, that's my first go-to place. But all of these little stickers come from the Dollar Tree. Most of them. Just look at all the different ideas they have, you know, the different stickers they have, and see if something inspires you. Also, you could take all the letters and paint them like pink, and then put a pink thing for Valentine's Day. You could do a different set for each season. You could paint some like yellow, blue, and green and put some Easter thing in the middle. You could change the word. Instead of having it say home, you could put like your last name or happy or whatever. So hopefully that gives y'all an idea, gets you inspired, so you can make it. See you next Tuesday. Bye.